Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping you and your family are in good health and enjoying a very good life. Friends, little request from you. If you are new to this channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload video on my YouTube channel, you will get notified instantly. As per the topic of today's video, so in today's video we are going to talk about how you can access different kind of a tag in website, and you can change content inside that tag using the JavaScript. So without further delay in this video, let get started with the today's topic. So for performing this exercise, just let me visit any website randomly. So So let first get started with the document.get element by ID. So document.get element by ID is a method using which you can access any element inside your overall document by just passing the ID of that particular tag. So let me tell you here something. So the ID which I am going to talking about is unique to every tag. So if in the overall document you can only have one unique ID attached to single tag in that overall website. Let me first inspect any element which have some ID attached to it. So here we got this ID to city. So let me copy it and use in our document.get selected by element. So let me store the result in this result variable. So let me print it in front of you. So we are getting that particular input tag which we have selected using the document.get element by ID. So now you can perform any different kind of a task on this particular tag. You can change its value, you can just type another value inside it, you can change its style as well as its size, width, height, anything you can perform using this particular result we are getting here. So let me show you using just by simply changing the style of this particular tag here. So let me make it its background red here. So as you are seeing, I perform some attach some style here, and the background of this input field got automatically converted to red. So document.get element by ID is a selector using which you can select any particular unique element from overall document. So let us move forward to the other selector in JavaScript. So let us move toward the document.get element by class name. So as I have explained earlier, the ID which is attached to any element inside the document is unique to that element. But in case of class, you can attach any particular class to any different kind of a number of element inside your website. It will return you all the element which are having that particular class. And in case of class, you can attach that any any particular class to any number of element inside the document. Move forward the execution part of the this selector. So I selected this class, and let me show you what we got inside this. Okay, so now here we are getting a HTML collection of the different this number of div element we are which are having this particular class attached to it. So by using document.get element by class name, you can access any number of element inside the document which are having the same class, and you can perform different kind of a operation as per your logic on those particular classes, on those particular element inside the document. So let me perform some changes inside those particular div element in here. So first let me convert this HTML collection into array. So because inside HTML collection we didn't get for each element, so I want to iterate over all the element at a in a particular time. So let me convert it here and implement for each here. So here in this method I converted the background of all these element to green. So as we are seeing, the changes are also reflected here. So by using the document.get element by class name, you can access a different kind of all number of element which are having the same class inside the document and perform some task or changes on that particular element. So now let us move forward with another selector inside the JavaScript, which is document.get element by tag name. So as per it is clear by the definition of that method, get element by tag name. So by using this method we can get all the element of that particular tag name inside the document. So let me show you here. As you are seeing, we got all the list of this div element in present inside this document, as you are seeing here. So let me perform some task here as well, just copy pasting previous execution here. Oh my god, so as you are seeing, the background of all the div element which are present inside here got converted to green. It is eye catching to me, but it is a not good style, but I'm just saying it is looking good one way or another way. So let us move forward with the another selector inside the JavaScript, which is get element by tag name. So previously I explained get element by tag name, in which we can access any element using the tag name present in of uh, that element. But in case of document.get element by name, in this we can access any particular element using the name whichever is assigned to that element. So I might not be able to find any element inside this website having particular name. So let us skipping that part here, but you can practice this JavaScript selector by yourself as well. Now I'm moving forward with the query selector. So what does query selector will do? It will return you only one element at a time, which is matching the criteria whatever you provided inside the query here. So like if you are getting the hundred of element having the same class name, but it will only provide you first element which it encounter while traversing your HTML document. You let me show you here. Okay, I think I forgot something. Let me check. What was the class name? Okay, the class name of cal60. So let me show you what we got. Still no hope. Okay, I forgot very important point here, friends. Let me explain you what I forgot here. So previously in case of document.get element by id, by class name, by tag name, you just need to pass name of that particular tag, name of class or name of id. You don't need to attach any prefix to it. But in case of query selector, you need to attach prefix to it as well if it is a class. So if you are accessing class in css, you attach dot to it, and if you are accessing id, you attach pound sign in prefix to that particular id name. So same as in query selector, you need to attach dot if you are accessing class here. So let me show you here. Okay, you are seeing now, we now get that particular element which we want to access here. So this calci e60 is in between div. So this class which we are accessing is attached to all the div which are present in this particular drop down here. So but here we are only getting the first. The query selector will only return one element at a time which is matching the criteria, whichever element it encounter firstly in your in its traverse of the document. So let me make some style changes here. You might be thinking I am overly obsessed with the style of the document. Maybe. So here I attach the border to this particular element here, which is 1 pixel solid yellow. So let us now move forward with the document.query selector all. So you might be getting a little bit idea just by the name of this method, but in case, just let me explain it to you. So the document.query selector all method will return all the element which is matching the pass criteria in the query here. So as I showed you previously, I was passing the class here, and we got a list of number of drop downs. So let me apply this document.query selector on these elements. And so what uh, so what here we are getting the node list, all the deep element which are having this particular class at so all the div element which are having this particular class attached to it, we are getting all the div elements here in the form of node list. So same as I previously said in the class name, you can perform change the style of this all the particular div element here. So this is it for the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. It's a small request from you as a please subscribe the video, and please press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I upload new video to my YouTube channel. And also share this video to your friend if you find this video helpful to you, so they can also learn these amazing concepts. So thank you friends, we'll meet in next video. Bye.